Did you know some companies can assist with your student loan repayments?
Welcome to another dose of Empire. Today, we're talking about companies that can help pay student debt. Oh, this is a good one. You don't want to miss it. I also want to take this opportunity to thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, like and share this video so we can continue to improve the quality of our work. Without further ado, Jack, tell us more.
Imagine walking into your dream job, not just for the fulfilling work and awesome colleagues, but because they also help lighten your financial burden. Yes, you heard it right. Your employer can be your ally in battling those daunting student loans. This video will unveil a myriad of ways companies lend a hand, accompanied by real-life examples. So, buckle up as we dive into our list and discover how your future employer could help you with your student loans. First up, we have direct loan repayment assistance. Picture this: you're working at a company like Fidelity, who values your education as much as you do. Through their Step Ahead student loan assistance program, they offer employees a whopping $2,000 per year towards student loan repayments, capped at a generous $10,000. That's a significant chunk of change to help you conquer your debt. Imagine having an extra $2,000 annually to pay your student loans. That's direct loan repayment assistance. Next on our list is signing bonuses. These are one-time payments made by employers at the start of employment. An interesting example is Wells Fargo. They offer eligible role-based signing bonuses which can be applied towards student loans. Imagine getting a significant chunk of your student loan paid off before your first day on the job. It's a win-win situation. You get to start your dream job and reduce your student debt at the same time. A signing bonus can give you a head start in paying off your student loans. Let's explore tuition reimbursement and refinancing partnerships. Tuition reimbursement is a splendid way companies help their employees further their education while working. Take AT&T, for example. They provide tuition assistance for approved education expenses. That's correct. You can gain new skills and knowledge while the company picks up the tab. Now that's a double win. Shifting gears, let's talk about refinancing partnerships. These are arrangements where companies partner with loan refinancing firms to offer their employees better loan terms. PwC, a global leader in professional services, is a prime example. They've strategically partnered with refinancing firms to ensure their employees get the best loan terms possible. Imagine having your employer not just assisting with your student loan repayments, but also helping you refinance them for better terms. That's not just help. That's a partnership. With tuition reimbursement and refinancing partnerships, you can manage your student loans better. Now, let's look at student loan counseling and matching contributions. Picture this: you're on a journey to repay your student loans. But you're not alone. Companies like Aetna offer student loan counseling to their employees. This means that you can have a professional guide to help navigate the often confusing and daunting world of student loan repayment. Now, imagine you're climbing a mountain, and with every step you take, someone matches it. That's what matching contributions feel like. Penguin Random House, for instance, matches up to $1,200 of an employee's student loan payments per year. It's like having a partner in your climb towards a debt-free life. Both student loan counseling and matching contributions are invaluable resources in your journey. They're like a map and a walking stick, helping you navigate and making the trek a little bit easier. Student loan counseling and matching contributions can make a significant difference in your student loan repayment journey. We're not done yet. Let's discuss loyalty programs, loan paydown as a benefit, government and public service loan forgiveness, and professional association partnerships. Starting with loyalty programs, NVIDIA is a shining example. They offer education benefits, including student loan repayment for loyal employees. It's a great way to keep highly skilled staff within the company and ease their financial burden. Next, we have loan paydown as a benefit. Live Nation Entertainment provides a student loan paydown benefit for eligible employees. Imagine that, getting help to pay off your student loans just by being part of the team. Now, Let's talk about government and public service loan forgiveness. Did you know the U.S. federal government offers loan forgiveness for public service workers after they make 120 qualifying payments? That's a decade of service, but it could wipe out a significant chunk of your debt. Lastly, we have professional association partnerships. The American Nurses Association, for instance, offers resources for student loan refinancing through its partnerships. It's not just about finding a job, it's also about finding a supportive professional community that can help you manage your student loans. And that's a wrap on our list. Remember, these are just examples. Always refer to the official company or organization website for the most up-to-date information on their benefits packages. So there you have it. A list of ways companies can help you with your student loan repayments. From direct loan repayment assistance to signing bonuses, tuition reimbursement, and even student loan counseling. Some companies offer matching contributions, loyalty programs, and loan paydown as benefits. Keep an eye out for government and public service loan forgiveness, and professional association partnerships too. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this information will guide you in your job search and student loan repayment journey. Remember, your potential employer could be the key to managing your student loans better. Stay tuned for more useful content, and don't forget to join our tribe.
Thank you for watching another dose of Empire. Your support means a lot. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.